Hello everybody, welcome to this class of web design, of mobile graphic design. I'm going to be doing a simple design to illustrate what we are talking about. From the previous video I made on how to get the images we need and all we need for the graphic design on mobile. So I'm going to start from where I stopped. So what we are using today is a Canva. Canva is an application for mobile graphic design. So when you download this Canva, it's free to use, or you just need to register on it, and it needs data to run. So we'll be going to the Canva for us to start a fresh design. So when you go to your Canva, this is the page you will see. You see it has a lot of design, both for animated social media, Instagram posts, Instagram story, Facebook posts, Facebook cover, social media, photo catalog, poster, flyer, invitation portrait, any kind of design you want to do based on your choice. So you can see the designs are already there. You don't need to stress yourself. You can see all the categories here: business card, logo, everything you need to do is already pre-designed for you. So let's dive into what we're going to do today. Let me go to use a template on Facebook post. I'm going to do something on Facebook. Let's watch. Okay. Okay, let's wait for it to load, and let's see the Facebook. Okay, it has opened. You can see there are preloaded designs you can use from here. So let's just pick any one we can use and see what we can do about it. Okay, you can see the ones you can see free under. Those ones are free, you can use them. Other ones too, but let's take this one. I want to just show you an illustration of what we can do with this. You just click on edit, I need to open up now. See the design already, everything is already. Or you just need to modify all those things, all the pictures, the write-ups. You can see I want to change this part of the image now. Okay, so from you can see Canva has preloaded images on it already. You can choose from it. There are different kinds of images already online. You can just click on it and choose what you want depending on what you are designing. You can see the images are free for you to use. So if you have your own image from your phone, you can use that one too. So I'm just going to use from what we downloaded before. There are image I downloaded on web design before. I'm just going to pick and put here. I clicked on it, you can see it. It's going to appear. Okay, now you can see you can adjust it. You can adjust the images here. Okay, you can see it now. You can adjust and click on the good on top to mark you are good to go. So I'm going to click on the other side. I'm just going to add a color there. Let's say I'm going to add a color. You can see now. You can see when I added this color now, you can see this by the left side. You can see an arrow sign by the white, beside the white. When you click on it, you can adjust the thickness of the color. You can see it now. You can adjust the thickness based on this round circle thing on the color. You can adjust the thickness and know the one type you want. Like if you can, for example, now you're seeing now. Okay, another thing I'm going to, how do you add a picture? How do you add a picture to this design? You can see by the bottom right hand here, you can see a plus sign by the right hand bottom here. When you click on it, you can now see text, images, video, sticker, illustration, template. All these things are the things you can add on the design you are making. For me, I'm adding an image. When you click on image, it still goes to your gallery, or you can go to the image. This one takes you online. You can see the picture I did before I removed the background of it. I'm going to upload the picture. You're going to see it, or can see. You can adjust your pictures only at the bottom arrow. You don't adjust your picture by the side. You drop it by the on the bottom. So that is how you adjust a picture. You can see I'm going to do something now with this picture to make it fade. I'm going to just put it here to make it fade. I'll fade the picture. How do you do that? You can see the 3 dots on top of my image on the screen here, on the extreme right hand on the top of this image. 3 dots, you click on it, it changes. You can see this kind of a faded block by the center here. You click on it, you can fade this image like this. You can see, you can fade it. You can fade the image. I'm leaving it at the center, or you can see adjust it to show clearer. So this is it. When I'm done with it, you can click on the left, extreme left, mark the good to say you are good with it. So you can see now this is what what I need to do now. I need to take this image backward to at the back of this block's white background, so that the white background will be on top of this image. So what do? I go back to my red 3 dots on the extreme corner. I click on it. You can see by the side of this 3 dots, you can see an arrow that goes down. That means it's page down. That means you are taking the image back. When I click on it, it takes it back. Are you seeing it? You're taking it back. Now the real image white is on front of it. So this is how it is. You can adjust this based by the corners. This is how you can adjust. So based on this one, I'm still going to fade. I want to fade this block you're seeing here. I click on that 3 red dots. You can see the center part, the faded rectangle you're seeing there. When I click on it, I can fade this block so that I can still see the background and still have your letters too. So I'm fading this. I can reduce the size, the number, or the fade. Okay, let's leave it like this. For example, I can now change the wordings. When you click on the wordings, you can change it from here. You can clean it. Okay, let's say we are doing a design on web design. A website. Okay, let's say learn website design. Learn web design, website design. Okay, I'm going to change the font. I'm going to use this Monastra light, and I change it. So what do I do to reduce the font of these words? What do I need to do is to click on this 70. You can reduce it to 50 if you want. You can see now it's reduced to 50. Maybe I can increase it a little, 54. You can see I can make it bolder. I change the color to black. Okay, now for now I want to write this thing to make it capital letters. Website design. Okay, now with this now I still have to now adjust the font size by clicking here. Maybe reduce this to 50 or 49. You can see okay, it's okay by this 49. Okay, it's okay with this. You can see 49. You can see on this time moves quickly. You can also adjust that one to maybe I will just write closed WhatsApp group training. You can see I'm done. I can still change the color of this to black here, and I make it bold. You can see B here, bold. I can make it Italian, bold, all of them. Remove the Italian. I'm leaving it like this to be bold, so you can see how it works. You can adjust this down depending on what you want. This wordings on the center, you can edit it and say, okay, become a professional web designer. In 1 week. In 1 week, I can also increase the font of this write-up. I make it 25. 25 is big. I make it 20. 20 is not so good. I make it 16. 16 is change. Make it bold. 15. Okay, you can see I'm going to change the color to black too so that you can see it very well. Now you can see the design. I can add a word or a letter to this design by clicking at the bottom side right, the block, you can see the plus sign there. You can click on it, you can add your text. You can say customize text. You can see the customized text. You can say, okay, what's the cost? Fee 2K. If you're watching this course anywhere, 2K is 2,000 in Nigeria. So 2K bonus. Bonus video calls on Facebook ad. You can adjust this to the you can see, and I can change the color to any color I want. The color is not good, you can adjust it to any color. Okay, let's say you can check different colors, the one you feel. Blue, I'll go with blue, but I have to thicken it and say okay. You can mark it good on top. So what do I do now? I want to add my logo to it, or any other image you want to add to what you are doing. Okay, let's say I'm adding a logo of, okay, that logo is not transparent. This is not transparent. I'm looking for the logo one that is transparent, so I can add it to the design. Okay, you can see my transparent logo here. Okay, now you can see, you can add this logo, or you can bring it down here, depending on where people can see. Okay, now I can say, maybe let me adjust the image here. I can pull it down. You can put the logo here. You can reduce the size. Although the logo is not visible, I'm trying to make it look visible enough for people to see. So the best position it can be is here. So when you add the logo, you can add other information that you need. Okay, let's say on the button, let's explore other options. Now I want to add something else. You can go to Illustrator. You can see other things you can add here on images. I can see shapes. Say I want to add a shape under. I want to add a shape under it so that you can see how it works. So I'm going to add a shape. You can see the shape I'm adding now. You can adjust this length, the width. You can adjust it here. You can pull it down here and use it for. You can make this a different color. Let's say black. If you do it black, how does it look? If you do it totally white, it's fine. Okay. I think I'm going to remove these words under it so that I'll add another one on it. Okay, can now this word I clicked, you can duplicate it by this or the third icon by you're seeing after the delete button. You can see the third item. When you click on it, it means to duplicate a letter or any shape you want. You can now say return a novice into professional. So since you have your other color, so you need to make this color a different color. Let's add it to be black, or so you need to know your color combination. Okay. Everything you do, you need to mark it good so that you know you are done with it. What else can you add to this space on the bottom? You can either put your website address or the group link. Okay, say enroll. Okay, let me get a group link so I can add for the purpose of this training. Okay, let me just add any link. So you can go check out our company link and our website. You can just check it out. Look at it here. Okay, www.thenationweb.com. Okay, you can see it's not showing. You need to draw and expand it. When you draw and expand, you move it your hand, you draw it close and fix it back. You can see, but you need to align your design. Make sure it's aligned well. Now what you can see now is everything is on the center. Just everything is on center. That is how design goes. So you need to make sure you are following a particular pattern of your design in terms of your alignment. So for now, I'm going to do another video to illustrate too. For now, you can see what you can do with Canva and other forms. So when you can browse through design, you can check the ones you can do and learn, or especially maybe you can duplicate this one I've just did now. I will still gonna maybe send all the things I did this one with so that you can do it as your own classwork after we are done here. Okay, now thank you. How do you save your image? So you click on the play button on top. When you click on the play button, it plays your design. Another thing about Canva, when you go down here, you can see how you want your design to be. If you want to make it as a short video for people to see, you can see the design as a short video form. I seen it, different style, everything appear blocks. You can see how it goes. You can check out design I feel this pan is good. Okay, let's check this one. Wow. So you can see the form of design. These are fade one. You can see slide, pan, so you can see it's nice. Block, bread. Okay, so now what do? You can see this download icon on top. You can just click on it. When you click on it, it downloads the video. I'm going to show you, this one is the video form I'm downloading now. We're going to see download the image form. So after, I'm going to show it to you how it looks like after you're done. So this is the download for the video form. You have downloaded it now. So you can also share it to different you can see the group you are in now. You can see mobile graphics. So if I want to share it there, it's going to be what you're going to learn to. So this is a fresh course I am doing now. So for us to download the image version, what you just need to do is just leave it at the none. At none now is on the format of image. So when you click on the arrow button on top to download, it's going to download it as we did for in video. So this is how to download the image version of it. So you allow it to load, and you can see it's preparing the design. So sorry for the lengthiness of this video training, but I believe you have learned something from the first video I made to this one. We're going to do more illustration on this, and after you have done your classwork, if there's any question, you can still post your question or a contribution concerning the video. Thank you very much. I'll stop the video now.